Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review one of the best 3/8 ratchet from Stahlwille, and in the later part of the video I will do very brief comparison with a snap-on ratchet. This ratchet comes with a plastic film packaging. The part number is 452QR. Obviously, it comes with the instruction manual. The instruction manual includes how to service the ratchet mechanism or how to replace the broken anvil with a new one. I like the way Stahlwille includes that. I haven't had an experience yet that other brands send their instruction manual with a package. Let's jump into the details of the ratchet. It is a 300mm or 11.8 inch long. Weight of the ratchet is 350 grams. Overall, the appearance is typical Stahlwille style. It is a very beautiful ratchet. Matte chrome finish on the ratchet with superb workmanship. I always prefer matte finish over chrome finish. It will be less slippery on greasy hands, and also it is just a personal preference. The handle is two-component design. Black part is softer than the greener part. The material on the handle is used for highly resistant to the chemicals and grease. Stahlwille logo is stamped on the greener part of the handle, and I like it. In fact, the handle is not really big, which I kind of like it, and it's comfortable in my hands and the grip is firm. This is not a heavy ratchet, and it is slightly low profile when compared to the other best ratchets, let's say in particular snap-on ratchets. But this is as strong as snap-on ratchet, I believe, since Stahlwille uses the highest quality of forged steel and they are made in Germany, and as you guys know how the German engineering and quality is. Made in Germany, and the part number is stamped on the back of the head. The selector switch is made of solid metal, and the mechanism is very smooth. The lever is recessed, which will be beneficial on the tight areas since it will not switch on or off accidentally. It is very smooth yet feels robust. The push button is very smooth and it seems high quality. It is also recessed and not protruding outward. The anvil is fine-tooth design. It has 80 teeth and the mechanism is really smooth and buttery. Very nice and robustic feeling. The benefit of the fine-tooth design is low arc return angle, and it will be handy in tight areas. Now let's check the flex mechanism. The locking flex mechanism of ratchet is not capable of having many angle position, unlike most of the other flex head ratchets. It is a push-release button style mechanism. Once the button is pushed and the required angle need to be adjusted, and then just release the button and it will be locked into the position. One thing negative about this mechanism is that you cannot have free flex mechanism. It's always locked into the position. Another thing of this mechanism is that it does not have several positions. It can lock into only 4 different angles. But at the same time, the grooves on the locking interface is bigger, which has its benefits, since the locking flex mechanism will be stronger as compared to the fine grooves. Fine grooves are prone to wear out easily when compared to the thick grooves. Now let's try some socket on it. I don't have a chrome socket with me, so I'm using impact graded socket. But I will put the footage of using this ratchet on spark plugs replacing project at the end of the video, so you guys can see how helpful this flex head ratchet can be in odd position. The socket seated smoothly. Push button release mechanism is really helpful, especially working on engine bay, and you don't have to worry about losing or dropping off the socket. Let's have a brief comparison with the snap-on ratchet, just to give you guys an idea how different Stahlwille ratchet is. You guys can see that Stahlwille ratchet is clearly thinner overall. The handle and the shank of Stahlwille ratchet is smaller and thinner. Stahlwille ratchet head is also thinner profile and also smaller head than the snap-on one. The length of both ratchets are almost the same. The selector switch and the push release button of the Stahlwille are recessed. Both ratchets are 80 teeth design. Stahlwille teeth design is louder than the snap-on ratchet, but Stahlwille is slightly smoother than the snap-on one. And flex head mechanism for changing the flex angle of Stahlwille is also recessed, while the snap-on has huge switch mechanism, which can be annoying in tight working areas. Guys, this is not detailed comparison since my followers are from different parts of the world, where some have access Stahlwille ratchet and others don't. It is the same other way around. I would like to just give you guys an idea how these two are different to each other. I will do another video for detailed comparison of the both ratchets, along with the other brands such as Hazet, Paco, Facom, etc. So guys, subscribe my channel if you don't wanna miss any of my upcoming videos. Anyhow, back to the Stahlwille ratchet. Two things about this ratchet which I personally wish they had differently. Number one is the flex angle grooves that can be locked only into 4 positions. It would be nice if it can locked into more positions, but at the same time it is stronger mechanism when compare it with the fine grooves. And the number 2 is the push style locking mechanism. It cannot be into position of free flexing of head. Other than that, this is really an awesome high quality ratchet, and it is thinner profile ratchet. It will be very handy in tight areas. The teeth mechanism is fine and very smooth. Small handle is also beneficial in tight areas, but at the same time it feels good and comfortable in hands. Okay guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. See you in another video.